Welcome back to our channel to develop Pong game in Python using inbuilt turtle module. In this part 1, first we will create the screen of width 1000 pixel that is plus or minus 500 and length of 600 pixel that is plus or minus 300. Next we will create two pedals, one at left, the other at the right side, and see how to move these pedals up and down using key handler event. Before going to the code, please subscribe if not already subscribed. As turtle module is inbuilt in Python, there is no need to install it separately. Now first we will create the screen for our Pong game. So I am creating turtle.screen object to the variable scr. Let us set the background color for our Pong game to pink, and I'll give title of that window as Pong game. I'm going to set up the screen width to 1000 pixel and height to 600 pixel, and also the start location XY shall be 0. That is, the window will be at the top left corner. We have to remember the width and height mentioned here are in pixels. We can see our window started at top left corner and the title is displayed as Pong game. The next one is we will create our pedals. For Pong game, there will be two pedals, one on the right side and the other one on the left side. First we will create turtle object and return control to R pedal. R pedal represents right side of the pedal. We will set the speed to 0. We will also set the shape for the pedal as square. As we know, square is the base object built in the turtle. And set the pedal color, right R pedal color to dark green. You can choose your own colors. I have set up the background as pink and the pedal to dark green. As the shape is square, we want our pedal to be little rectangle. So I will take the method shape size and set the width to 2 and stretch length to 4 so that it looks like a rectangle pedal. In order to avoid the flickering effect, first we will take the pen up and then go to 400, 0, that is X location is 400 pixel and Y location to 0. This is the location for right pedal. Okay, our pedal is a little upside down. So we will change the stretch length to 2 and stretch width to 4. Okay, now it is positioned correctly. Similar to right pedal, we have copied and created the left pedal, but this is to be positioned at minus 400, that is left side. As we remember, the screen width is 1000 pixel, which is plus or minus 500. Hence at minus 400 we have positioned the left pedal and at plus 400 we have positioned the right side pedal. Next we will go and start giving the up and down movement for our pedals. We have to assign key for up and down movements and then move in steps for every key event. So we will write the functions for the pedal movement. There are 4 functions coming into picture. Right pedal has two functions, that is up and right pedal down. Similarly, left pedal also gets two functions, left pedal up and left pedal down. First, we will do for right pedal up. I am defining it as R pedal underscore up, which is the function name. While moving the pedal up, we are going to shift its position from current level by incrementing to 20 pixels. So before incrementing them to 20 pixel along y-axis, we will check if the current y coordinate is less than 240. As we remember, the height of our screen is plus or minus 300, that is totally 600 pixel. So to avoid going out of screen when we move up, we will check if it is less than 240 pixels and increment by 20 when we move up. There is no change to the x-axis because it's only a vertical movement. Similarly, for right pedal down, we will check if the current y coordinate is greater than minus 240. Minus 240 is at the bottommost position. Then we will keep them incrementing 20 positions downwards. If not, the pedal movement will not be happening. Similar to right pedal up and down, we will also define L pedal down and L pedal up for our left side pedal. So we have made 4 functions for pedal movement, up and down for right side and left side. Before moving these pedals, we are going to check their validity of y coordinates. I have zoomed in to see all 4 functions in this screen. $240 is a pixel at top of the screen and minus 240 is at the bottom of the screen along y-axis. Now to call these functions, we will start utilizing the key event handler. Before that, we will listen to the screen for mouse key movements. So we will call screen.listen, and for key press up, we will call the function right pedal up. And when key down arrow is pressed, we will call the function right pedal down. So up and down keys are assigned to right side pedal. I am going to assign 1 and 2 keys for left pedal up and down. I have chosen 1 and 2 up and down for these pedal movements. You can choose as per your convenient and keyboard key arrangements in your keyboard. Whatever keys you want, you can choose it. So on listening to the key, we are going to call these 4 functions. I will start infinite loop to update the screen using update method for screen control. Now we will run our code. We have the screen, 2 pedals left and right. I am doing key up. You can see right pedal is moved up. Again I am pressing, but once it reaches the top position or bottom position, it is not moving further, because we are checking for the condition. If it is less than minus 240 or plus 40, then only the movements are allowed. The same thing is applicable to left side pedal and they are working okay.